And she brought apple for me because I'm the apple of her eyes. You guys, it's high time to get the big tree done. Hi guys, so it's going to get the big tree. I'm going to make my hair, fix my lashes, fix my nails. Because this girl has suffered. What a semester. What an academic. You guys, 400 level drained me. Last semester was terrible. If you saw me last semester, I looked like this, and if you have me on WhatsApp, you totally understand what I'm going to say. 400 level drained me. Spirit, soul, body, mentally, everywhere. So right now, exams are over and it's time to put myself together because this holiday, I'm going to be on the streets. Yes, I'm going to be outside 247. So you should just be ready to be sick of me. But first, I'm going to get the big three done. So I'm going to fix my lashes. I know I need the zero, but I want to fix lashes. I have to fix my nails and I want to make my hair. So let me how many I can do today because I easily feel sick and tired. Then that's to do my hair. That's why I want to make my hair first. So yeah, let's go make my hair.
Laughing on the beach is like a pleasant melody.
Hey guys, guess who's going to give me more support? Oh, see, baby. And she brought apple for me because I'm the apple of her eyes. My people are nice now. I don't understand. Do you know they are not? Do you know? We got first yet.
I fell in love with the feeling of summer.
I don't give up. Some would just, yeah, definitely job 10,000. So I definitely job. So I
Pleasant melodies soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair, I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer. My summer trip. Take me away, all worries to a place.
I don't say beauty. My beauty was sleeping inside this pharmacy student. Once I stopped being a pharmacy student, ask Sister Jojo.
The smell of summer that whispers secrets of each land. The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody. Soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair, I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer. My summer tree.
As you are chopping corn in this vlog, if I edit it and I put this part, you go see yourself for YouTube, share.
Hi, baby. No, carry me go, come on, majesty.